61A Lecture Number 5. Announcements. Homework 2, which is very short, is due next Tuesday. Hog, which is very long, is due next Thursday. But, to incentivize you to start early, I'm going to give an early submission bonus point for finishing the project by Wednesday night. So that means if you finish the project a day early, you could earn 21 out of 20 possible points. In an effort to support you in your progress, we will hold office hours throughout the week next week, and we'll also hold a homework/project party at 6:30 p.m. in the Soda Labs on Monday. Yes, Monday is a holiday. No, there will not be a lecture, but there will be a party. There are 3 phases to the project. I strongly recommend that you try to finish phase 1 by Monday night so you can work on phase 2 on Tuesday, phase 3 on Wednesday, and submit, earning the early submission bonus point. A whole point. Okay, that's all that's going on in the course. I'll hold an info session today about another course, CS 47A, which is a replacement for 61A, designed for students who have seen almost all the content in 61A already. Now that you have a feel for the course, I recommend looking through the rest of the textbook, and if you discover that everything seems like something you already know, then come to this info session to learn about an alternative, 1-unit, self-paced course where you pretty much just do the last project and a few homeworks at the end of the course, covering material that very few people have gone through before. This option is not good for most of you, but maybe a couple % of the people who enroll in this course have seen so much of it before that it's not a great use of their time. We'd like you to try to identify yourselves by coming to this info session, and if you want to skip out of 61A, that is possible. But just because you took a computer science course before doesn't mean you should be skipping 61A. Like I said, this probably only applies to 1 or 2% of the people, so maybe 20 to 40 students in total should be taking this path. And the last thing I wanted to announce is that you can draw environment diagrams automatically for any code by going to tutor.cs61a.org. That's actually not the last thing I wanted to announce. The last thing I wanted to announce gets its own slide. Office hours. You should go. In this course, problems are hard, and so you should come to office hours. You do not need to solve everything in this course by yourself. You are not alone. There's the office hours link. Here's the schedule. This was for this week. This is for next week. We're going to have even more people than are listed in order to make sure that you have a chance to finish the project, even if you get stuck. Notice there are no office hours on Monday because it's a holiday, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, afternoon, and evening, we will be there for you as long as you're willing to show up. We also hold the conceptual office hours on Friday, including today, where we'll just answer questions about concepts in the course and give you tricks to be better at solving the kinds of problems that arise on exams. So, if you don't want to just focus on solving the required problems, but on gaining a deeper understanding of the concepts in the course, I recommend coming to conceptual office hours on Friday late afternoon.